Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the currency on Udemy. First, it is important to understand how currency works on Udemy. You cannot manually change your account currency in the settings. Your currency is automatically set based on the geographic location where your account was first created. If you have moved to a new country, there is a simple way to update your currency. Start by logging into your account at udemy.com. Next, find any course you would like to purchase. Click on the course and then click the Add to Cart button. After that, go to your cart and click on Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, scroll down to the billing address section. Here you will see a drop-down menu for country. Click on that drop-down and select your current country of residence. Make sure this reflects the country where you are now living. After selecting the correct country, complete the purchase process. Once the transaction is finished, Udemy will save this new billing country to your profile. Your currency should now align with the country you selected. Sometimes the system may not immediately update your currency, even after you have selected a new billing country and completed a purchase. In this case, the best solution is to contact a Udemy support directly. Thanks for watching.